Hi beach lovers! Camilla here, ready to take you on an unforgettable escape to one of Rio de Janeiro's most iconic spots, LEBLON Beach. Imagine strolling along its soft golden sands with the lively rhythm of Rio as your backdrop. The waves serenade you, the tropical breeze refreshes your spirit, and the stunning views will leave you absolutely captivated. LEBLON isn't just a beach, it's the heart of Rio's charm and energy. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments where we should explore next. Your dream beach could be our next adventure.